Hello, Eulis Ester, PhD Dover Product Specialist for Neptune and above. Another accessory that I like to share is technical aspect is with the calibration column. Calibration column is a convenient method and accurate way to measure pump performance. It could also be used to troubleshoot your pump. When selecting calibration column, be sure to select one so you could run a 1-minute test or 2-minute test for low flow pumps. You could run a 30-second test and multiply the result accordingly, whether it's a 1-minute or 2-minute test. The calibration column, it should draw down the chemical fluids from the calibration column smoothly. And it needs also to stop at the end of each stroke. If the liquid inside the calibration column bounces, it means that the valve in the pump is either worn or dirty. The calibration column comes in a rugged PVC. Sheeted glass is also available for harsher chemical. And this one particular column in my hand is 100 milliliter. On this side is in the milliliter measurement, while on this side is a gallon per hour. Again, this is for a 1-minute test. Another product and accessory that I like to share its technical aspect is back pressure valve. The back pressure valve is a device that restricts the flow that is coming through by putting the pressure back against the pump. Another word, prevent siphoning. Back pressure valve is used when pumping into a low pressure situations. The specification for our back pressure valve, the pressure is rated up to 150 psi. The material is available in PVC, PVDF, 316 stainless steel, and copper 20. This one particular in my hand is a BP PVC 050. So the material made out of PVC. The connections is a 1/2 inch NPT. The connection is available in a 1/2 inch up to 2-inch NPT. The installation process or how to install this is you install the back pressure valve in the discharge line and see the flow indicated on the bottom, meaning the flow is going that way, or you could see that on the label too, the flow is going that way. So this is the inlet and right here is the outlet. Another accessory that I like to share is relief valve. Relief valve is to maintain a set of pressures at the discharge line or discharge port to protect from being over pressurized. There are some pumps that come with an internal relief valve, and that internal relief valve is to protect the pump. Most applications recommended external relief valve to protect the piping, the system, or the applications from being over pressurized. So the relief valve is set at 50 psi or 10% above the maximum operating pressure. And the specifications of the relief valve, the pressures is available between 30 to 2000 psi. Material is available in 316 stainless steel, copper 20, PVDF, and PVC. And this one particular RV316, the one that I have in my hand, is RV316-1, where the pressure can be set between 30 to 100 psi. As you can see from here, This one's 316-1, indicating that it is the pressures from 30 to 100 psi. And the factory, we could set that when we receive your request based on your setting requirement. And this particular one is set at 75 psi. The relief valve, you could adjust the pressures in the field. What you have to do is you have to remove the screw, and sometimes you will need to have a flat head to loosen it up and take this off. And also it comes with an Allen wrench, and you set the relief valve and make sure that you make sure it's meeting the certain pressures that you have or the requirement of the system.